3 minutes with a Maine Guide, and I know I've been gone a little bit, but I was running those rivers. I gotta do that, especially this time of year. We did manage to put the porta-joke and the thwart in the Old Town camper that we're restoring. I say we, the theatrical we, it was actually my husband, Jeff. But I wanted to get that in because it had such a rounded bottom without it. I wanted to get those in, get it nice and flattened out like the nice flat bottom you see on this camper. The rounded bottom, that's more shaped like a Penobscot, and that's typically not a great polling boat. It's too fast. But it did flatten it out when we put that in there. The next to go in is this beautiful canoe seat from Ed's Canoes. I don't know how to link stuff, you guys. I'm sorry, but it's Ed's Canoes, and I will put the logo, in the video. So the next is that's going right there. A lot of people have contacted me interested in these vintage old towns and how to get a good one. So I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to show you how to pick a good one. So featured in the first video is this rippling here, which a lot of canoeists wrote in and said that happens with UV damage. But here's why I don't think that's the case here. UV damage, while there's dings and pings and there's nothing pretty on here, UV damage typically has the crackling bathroom glass effect, which if you look here, there's none of that on any part of this boat. Okay, I went the length of it. There's the pings and dings of using an Old Town canoe, the way you love them, and where they can take you. But there is no, crackling bathroom glass effect on any of it. Okay, besides looking for the bathroom crackle glass effect, if you see that, do not move on to this next step, especially with the cellar standing there. You're not going to be a fan, okay? The next thing you want to do if you don't see that is tell the seller you want to do this and start gentle. But if you just put a knee in this flipped over and you start pushing on that and you don't hear any Rice Krispie sound, and it's got some good, look at the pop and flexibility coming back at me. Even here where it's rippled, I did it where it's rippled. Look at the pop and flexibility and just no crunchy, crispy sounds at all. Go ahead and do that, the length of the boat, and you just want to feel a nice flex in there and not hear anything. And that's what I did, and that's why I bought it. I'm Lisa DeHart, and you've just spent 3 minutes with a Maine Guide.